In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money online just by watching YouTube videos in Ghana. Recently, I have noticed that there are many fake websites telling you to watch videos and get paid, and 99% of the time, most of these websites are fake. These companies rob you of your time and money. If you are from Ghana or any part of Africa, you will agree with me that internet data is not cheap for you to be watching random videos and not get paid. So after searching the internet for a couple of days to see if I can find a website that actually pays you for watching videos, fortunately for us, I found one for now. Yeah, for now. If anyone comes up in the future, I will make a video for that. But for now, let's proceed. Make sure to watch this video to the end, because I will be showing you this website, how you make money from it, proof of people making money from the website, and how to create an account on this website. One more thing. Before we dive in, let me clear the air. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This will take time and effort. You know why? Because many people are interested in making money the easiest way possible. So this market is saturated in order for you to make money this way. That is by watching videos and getting paid. You have to work hard and smart to earn good money from this. With all that out of the way, let's get started. Before we get started, let me show you people who are already making it in this business. After that, I will show you a secret website where you make more. Go to your favorite browser. Mine is Chrome. I'm already there, as you can see. And go to your search bar and type Fiverr.com. This is a freelance marketplace, and I know you may be wondering how you can make money by watching YouTube videos here. Don't I get you covered? This is not actually the website we're going to use to make money. I will show you. Keep watching. Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers to people or businesses looking to hire. With this platform, you can sell any skill you have. But in this case, we are talking about watching videos and getting paid. So let's see how they can do that. If you are on Fiverr, you want to type watch YouTube videos. This is it. You see the key. The keyword just appears here. Watch YouTube videos, and you want to click on that. And it will show you some people who are already doing it on Fiverr. Now, like I earlier said, this market is highly saturated. As we can see here, we have over 12,000 sellers of this service, which is why you need the second website that is about to show, because there's a lot of competitors already on Fiverr. So for you to make money from this here, you need to work extremely hard, but everything is easier using the second website, which is Rolladell.com. As you can see, this is a freelancer marketplace as well, and has more content creators who need you to watch their videos. They can pay you in your local currency in Ghana, Cedis. Let me go back to Fiverr and open some sellers there, and let's review them and see what they do so that we can try and replicate what they do and see if we can gain some success. Let me go to this tab, and I want to click here. These are the sellers of this service. The first seller I have opened is this one you see here. It says, I will watch YouTube videos and give a short summary. This guy has added spice to his service. He will not only watch your videos, but he will give you a short summary of the YouTube video he watched. Now, if we scroll down here, you see here this guy is still a level 1 seller. That means he is a new seller. He is new to Fiverr and he has 43 reviews. Imagine offering this service on Rolladell that has less competitors. As you can see, that means 43 people find his service interesting on Fiverr and has left him 5-star reviews. You know, not everyone drop a review after a service. If he has up to 43 reviews, that means he has done a ton of work here. I can bet with you that most of us after a service, we don't drop reviews. So as you can see here, this guy has 43 5-star reviews. Now let's scroll down and see what he does. He said, please contact me. If we scroll down, we see here his services start from $10. His basic services start from $10. Now, what the service offers is, let's read together. He says, I will watch one YouTube video that must be less than 20 minutes long and summarize. That means you watch one YouTube video and summarize it for you. And the video must be less than 20 minutes long. And he is charging $10 for this service that is equivalent to almost 5,600 francs CFA. So you see that is a lot of money that can buy you data for a month. So let's scroll down and let's see the reviews that people are giving him. You see, this guy says 100% working together again. The gig was set up easily, and the final output was exactly what I was looking for. As you can see, people are happy for the service they received from this guy. Now let me quickly scroll back up and show you something. Now, you see here that last delivery. The last job he delivered was 2 weeks ago. That's long. That is why you need to do this where so many people are not offering the service yet. Last delivery was 2 weeks ago, so let's go to the next seller. Is this still the same guy? He created a different gig. This one says, I will watch and review your YouTube videos. This one, he will watch and review your YouTube video. This is a different gig, and people are loving this gig as well. You scroll down, you see the reviews. And let's go to the next seller. I want to scroll. I want to show you some sellers and show you what you can add to your service to make it more enticing and more attractive to customers. Now, if we look at this guy, he has added a twist to his own service. He says, I will watch a film YouTube documentary and write a summary. Now, he hasn't narrowed down himself to just YouTube, but he says he will watch, film a YouTube documentary, and write you a summary. And as we can see here, this guy has 11 reviews, 5-star reviews. Now let's scroll down and see. Why am I showing you this? To show you that this is actually working and give you the best platform to start it now. Now, as I'm talking to you, it's not something of a past. It's not history. That I'm preaching to you is a current event you see here. And what he says here is he will watch a short documentary and summarize it. The documentary should be less than 20 minutes, just for 20 minutes. And this guy is getting paid $20. That is a lot of money for some countries. You see? And if we scroll down here, people are actually enjoying his service. So you can do this from anywhere that you are and get paid. Now let's go to the next seller. I just want to rush through this. Now you see this guy say, I will watch and engage in your YouTube content. And this person actually has 13 reviews and one other on Coil. That means one person has placed an order and is waiting for his project to be completed. As we can see, this thing is working as I am talking with you right now. There are people looking for this service, and there's a platform where many people are not offering it. Now, if we scroll down, let's see. Last delivery 1 week ago. And let's look at the review. You see, this guy has a good review of it. This is not always the case. There are some bad reviews. Let me go ahead and show you some of the bad reviews. But first, let's go to the next seller here. This seller says, I will watch your YouTube videos and summarize as well. This seller has 1 review and 1 other inquiry. Now let's go to this user. Let me be quick with it. This guy has 17 reviews. It's the same guy. Let me close this guy and let's go to this one. This one has 2 reviews. And let's see. Last delivery 1 week ago. That was the same guy 7 days ago. You see that this guy has multiple gigs offering the same service but with twisted words. This image, you see, I will provide intense YouTube video watch engagement. So now let me go to this final seller. This final seller says, I will evaluate your YouTube channel to see what can be improved or changed. Now you want to make sure that you are very clear with your description and you do what you say you will do. As we can see, this seller has the review, and the review is not that good. Now, if we scroll down here, you will see that this person actually has 1 1-star review. And let's go down and see the review. The person here says, when you say that I will evaluate your channel, then it means re-evaluation, not some keyword suggestion and vague title and thumbnail suggestion. Examples can help a lot, so you want to be clear with what you are selling. Make sure that your customer understands your service. I'm sure this must be a misunderstanding, and just this review can hurt this guy's service. You don't want to fall in the same trap, so you make sure that your description is clear. Clear to the point. And with that, you can offer these services on Rolodell now. Now, after going through all these services, if you think this is for you, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create an account on Rolodell. And start selling your own services to create an account on Rolodell. Just come here and click to join. And you can either join Rolladell with your Google account, or you can just use your email and name. What you want to do is you want to put your name, email here, password, and continue. I already have an account. I won't go ahead and show you this process. There are tons of videos on YouTube showing you how to sign up on Rolladell. Even though signing up on Rolladell is not difficult, it's a walk in the park. You just need to follow the instructions, and before you know it, you will be done with it. But if you want to see someone, do it before you do yours. You can go to YouTube and search how to sign up on Rolladell. And I'm sure a 3-minute video will pop up showing you how to sign up on Rolladell. I already have an account. If I want to sign in, I'll just click sign in and just put in my username and password and click continue. So that is how you can make money, watching videos on Rolladell. This way is 100% guaranteed that you will get paid, rather than watching random videos from companies promising you a huge amount of money. And at the end of the day, they don't deliver. This is the best way possible for now. If anything comes up in the future, I'll make sure to drop a video showing you that. But for now, make sure to like this video if you enjoy it so far. Subscribe to Rolladell and turn on the notification bell so that when something new comes up, you will be the first to be notified. First to